Hello and welcome. I'm Chintan and you're watching Archivizion. In this video, today we'll be taking a look at how to model this shape inside of Sketchup without using any plugins. So let's take a look at that. Let's go. Okay, so first open a Sketchup and start by drawing a rectangle in the YZ plane. Something like this looks good. Now draw an arc using the arc tool. The shortcut for this is A. Now you can push it through by using the push-pull tool, which is the shortcut P. On second thoughts, we can offset this shape first because it would be harder to solidify it without plugins later. So extend these edges and remove the extra geo. We end up with something like this and we use the push-pull tool to push it through. Now select this face and make a copy of it by using the M tool, move tool and the control key. Now press slash or divide by 20 and that would subdivide your geometry in 20 equal parts. Now right click and make this a component. Create component. So after we have something like this, there's not much left to do. Go to the sandbox tool and the smooth tool and let's increase the radius of this move tool to something that engulfs your whole shape, and click once and drag and move this down, and you should have something that looks like this. Now we need to do a bit of cleanup. Click this line and by using the L tool and similarly draw a line over here as well. Now what we need to do is just select all the parts that fall beneath that line that we have just created and delete them. Select these and delete. This face is reversed, as you can see it's a bit darker. Right click and reverse faces. That should fix it, and this looks pretty good. Now we need to rotate this shape like this. The shortcut for the rotate tool is the Q key, so press Q and rotate. Now press the move tool by pressing the key M, and by holding the control key you can drag a copy. Flip it along the blue axis and drag it to like this to join it, and you have something that looks like this. You can right click and explode this and make it a component again. Now we have something that looks like this. Now you can right click and smooth edges. Now you can color the shape by using the paint bucket tool. Now drag a copy of this shape by using the M tool. Flip it along. Right click, flip along blue and join it over here. If you like this, that's okay, but I need to flatten this out a bit. Turn on the shadows and select it all and scale it by using the S key, and now you have something that looks like this. Now you can play with it, have fun and create some cool concepts. So let me show you an example. So select this and drag a copy of this by using the M and the control key. Now using the Q key, drag this out by 90 degrees, and just like that, by doing so in just a few steps, you have something that looks like a sci-fi building concept. Or you can drag a copy of these and place them in a row. So make that a component and drag a copy and press 3x, and you have something that looks like a sci-fi tunnel. So yeah, have fun and play around with these and come up with cool design concepts, and you can post them in our Discord server, link down below. So like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep creating and keep having fun.